Hi, I am Angam Bhatia.
I am Akash Parthasarathi.
I am Soham Agarwal.
I'm Arhan Agarwal.
I am Veer Jain, and we are Smart Trash, a company revolutionizing the waste collection and segregation process around the world.
Today, governments all around the world are struggling with the challenges of waste collection and waste segregation. According to a study conducted by the World Bank, the world generates 2.01 billion tons of municipal solid waste in a single year. At least 33% of this waste is not managed and segregated in an environmentally friendly manner. Essentially, the current techniques in place for waste management are inefficient, expensive, and obsolete.
Due to the unappealing aesthetics of trash cans, people often end up throwing waste around the trash can rather than inside it. The collected waste material is taken to huge toxic landfills, which leads to the emission of noxious gases that results in environmental contamination and is hazardous to all life forms. Developing and underdeveloped countries are unable to handle these landfills since they primarily rely on manual waste sorting, which is not only time consuming but also ineffective.
To eliminate the mundane problems of waste management, Smart Trash offers a solution. Introducing the Smart Bin, an innovation the world has never seen before. The Smart Bin is able to efficiently collect waste and segregate it at the point of collection by leveraging machine learning and image recognition. It is composed of a rotating drum, transit passage, conveyor belt system, and a number of smaller inner containers or bins at the end of the system. Each container referring to a specific category of identified waste. Once waste material is thrown into the smart bin, an internal mechanism is set into motion. The waste material goes into the rotating space where it is rotated on its own axis to separate it. Then, it is put into a chamber where a metallic slide rule separates individual units of trash and drops it onto a conveyor belt. As the waste moves along the conveyor belt, IoT cameras installed right above that capture images of them and feed them into a customized and well-trained CNN image recognition algorithm. The algorithm searches its database and recognizes the type of waste it is and classifies it into a specific category. Then, as the trash moves on the conveyor belt, a flap mechanism autonomously directs the trash into the appropriate container of the category the waste is identified to be of. Additionally, the smart bin is linked to an application which is wirelessly connected to the smart bin's integrated CNN model and software. The app will reflect quantitative and qualitative data about the smart bin's content and will provide real-time analysis of its remaining capacity. This will allow concerned municipalities to track the quantity and category-wise distribution of waste collected and segregated inside the bin. To ensure sustainability, Smart Bin also utilizes solar panels to provide a part of the energy input requirement for a prototype to operate. In addition to the core framework, the Smart Bin has also been variously designed to stay hygienic and aesthetically appealing to the user's eye. Auto-locking wheels have also been installed to increase portability. The design is also modular, which makes it easier for it to be assembled on the site of installation and thus aiding in further portability. Hence, all in all, a conceived design leverages waste collection and segregation to its maximum by allowing undisrupted and convenient waste disposition systems and on-site waste segregation while staying sustainable, hygienic, and aesthetically pleasing.
The main edge we have over our competitors is the utilization of a novel image recognition based algorithm for waste segregation. Most trash cans on the market do not possess a waste segregation mechanism. This allows waste of different types to accumulate together. We at Smart Trash approach waste collection in an environmentally friendly manner, focusing on the separation of waste on site. The competitors that do segregate waste mainly utilize sensors such as metal and moisture sensors, which are highly inefficient and are restricted to segregating waste into a few categories. One of our competitors, the Acharya Group of Institutes, utilizes sensors for segregation and is limited to segregation into wet and dry waste. The Smart Bin is more efficient than current trash cans in the market due to its AI-powered image recognition system, which is capable of segregating waste into any category imaginable. The Smart Bin is also equipped with solar panels, which have a lower environmental impact than AC sources and is also more cost effective than current smart bins, offering a price reduction of more than 50%.
The market our business is attempting to reach is the waste management industry. The global waste management market size is rapidly growing and is expected to reach a market size of $530 billion by 2025. In countries like India, where the population is growing rapidly, depletion of natural resources is inevitable. Waste materials present potential resources, and hence investing in waste management is a must to carry out sustainable development. Our company has devised a meticulous plan to bring our product to market. Initially, we plan to carry out awareness campaigns for our product, after which we will get in touch with shopping malls and food courts. After the installation of our product in these public places, we will begin talking to established waste management corporations such as Synergy Waste Management and license the smart bin to them. Our next step would be pursuing government contracts to install the smart bin, first in cities in India and subsequently in cities around the world. Once numerous bins have been put in commission, we expect our app to gain traction, opening the possibility of in-app advertisements.
Thank you for giving us this opportunity to create this video. Smart Trash paves the path to change the waste management industry for the better, and we look forward to working with you to achieve the same.